Let's look at breads. There are 4 types of breads. There's enriched, which we called white bread. There's multigrain, there's whole wheat, and there's whole grain. Only whole grain uses the whole grain. This is very important. Here you have enriched white bread with a whopping 0 grams of fiber per 1 slice. Lots of people think that by choosing whole wheat bread it's better, but look, this one has only 1.5 grams of fiber per slice. If you choose a whole grain bread, not just whole wheat, but whole grain, you are going to get 3 or more grams of fiber per slice. So in this one slice, you get more fiber than the whole loaf of white bread. Whole wheat or multi-grain does not necessarily mean whole grain. This can be a marketing ploy, so make sure you read your package and you make sure that it says whole grain.